Hi friends, in this session we are going to learn how to draw a flowchart, how to write an algorithm, and then we will also see the code in C language for a simple problem. As many people are asking me to show how to draw the flowchart and how to write the algorithm for any given problem. So I have taken a simple problem here, which is a weight classification. We collect weight in kilograms, height in centimeters from the user, and then we calculate the BMI, body mass index, and we will compare this BMI to check whether the user is overweight, normal weight or underweight. This is a simple problem, but we will start with the flowchart, then we will go to the algorithm, we will see the code. So here we will see the flowchart. This shape is called terminator in the flowcharts. So this is used to indicate the start of the program and also the stop of the program. When we start the program we use it, when we stop the program we use it. So this is the arrow key. These arrow keys are used to show the direction of the flow, in which direction the flow is moving. So here this symbol is used for the input-output operations. Here we are taking the input from the user, the weight in kilograms and the height in centimeters. These two information we are collecting from the user. So this is through the keyboard, right? This is an input. For the input operation we use this shape. Again an arrow key which shows the direction. Here this rectangle is used to process something. It could be some calculation or it could be some operations on strings, operations on numbers or anything like that. This symbol, rhombus symbol or diamond symbol, is used to check a condition whether it is true or false. Here we are checking whether the BMI is less than 18. If yes, if the BMI is less than 8, then again here we are not processing anything, so we are using this symbol, input output symbol. We are just printing you are underweight. Then we are using the arrow mark again and going to the terminator. We are using the terminator symbol for stop. If no, if BMI less than 18 returns no, that condition returns no, then we are checking again to see BMI less than 25. Here it comes only when it is 18 or more, right? If BMI is less than 18, it will go this side, yes. If it is greater than or equal to 18, it will return no and it will come here. So then we are checking if BMI is less than 25. If BMI is less than 25, then we are again using the output symbol, input output symbol, and we are printing your normal weight and then again stopping the program. So going to stop. And if this returns false, that means BMI less than 18, no. BMI less than 25, no. That means it is 25 or more, right? In that condition, again we are using the input output, print overweight and going to stop. So this is called the flowchart. So here we use this symbol as a terminator, either to start or stop. Here we are using this for input from the keyboard, and these three places we are using for the output to print to the screen. And this rectangle is used to process something, to process some numbers or some text or something. And this diamond symbol or rhombus symbol is used to check the condition, yes or no, yes or no. So yes or no. So two directions will be there for this, and for this only one direction. So let us move on to the algorithm. Whatever steps we have given in the flowchart, we simply write it as a steps here. So here I am saying start, then input weight in kilograms and height in centimeters. Then step 3, convert height from centimeters to meters and compute BMI. If you want, you can separate into two steps, otherwise one is also fine. If BMI less than 18, go to step 8, we will see what is that step 8. If BMI is less than 25, means if BMI 18 is false, only it will come here, right? If it is true, it will go to 8. If BMI less than 25, it will go to step. If BMI is not less than 18 and BMI not less than 25, then it will come to the next step. Print overweight, means it is either 25 or more. Print overweight. Then go to step 11. 11 is nothing but stop. Here step 8. So where it will come to step 8? Here. If BMI less than 18, go to step 8. Directly jump to step 8. Print your underweight and then go to step 11. Step 11 is stop. So it will not go to the next step. Here we mentioned if BMI less than 25, go to step 10. It will directly jump to step 10, which is it prints normal weight. Then of course it will go to stop. So in case of overweight condition, it will directly go to, it will print overweight and go to stop. Here if it is underweight, it will print underweight and go to stop. If it is normal weight, it will come to step 10 and stop. You just have to translate the flowchart into statements here. So that's what is called the algorithm. Now let us move on to the code. So I'm defining some variables as float. W for weight, H for height, M for meters, and BMI for storing the BMI. Let me print some message. Enter your weight in kgs, and here scanf, I am reading the weight. Percentage F ampersand W. Similarly, let us also read height. Enter your height in centimeters, and I am reading the height. Here meters is equal to H by 100. H is centimeters, so we are dividing by 100 to take meters. Then BMI is equal to weight by meter square, m into m. So let us print to see if everything is properly taken. Okay, here I am printing to see whether everything is correct till now. I am running the program. Weight some 65, height say some 157 centimeters. Then here it is showing weight 65, height 157 centimeters, height in meters 1.57, and BMI is 26.37. So everything looks correct. Then we need to compare. So what we did, we printed a message, of course, so that the user understand what to input. And basically we are inputting weight and height in centimeters. We are converting the centimeters to meters, and then we are calculating the BMI. Now we need to compare. If BMI less than 18, so printf you are underweight. Else, here one more condition we have to check, BMI less than 25, right? So when we are checking one more condition, we have to use again if. Else if printf you are so less than 25, your normal weight. Else printf you are overweight. This is as simple as this. So in the if condition, basically if is compulsory, of course, and else is optional. When all the conditions are false, only the control comes to else. So you should not use any condition with else. If you want to check multiple conditions, we can use else if. One if and any number of else ifs we can use, but else should be only one, and it is optional. If you want, we can do that. If logic does not require else, we need not give else condition, but it should only come once, and else does not take any condition. After if, we can use any number of else ifs if we have multiple conditions. So here let us see the output. So let me format it so that it will look good. 60 kilograms and 160 centimeters. So it says 60 weight, 160 centimeters, 1.6 meters, 23.43 BMI, and it says your normal weight. Of course, we have to print a new line here. Here we will print a new line. Then we will give some normal weight. Weight is 60 and height is 157 centimeters. Here weight is 60, height 157 centimeters, 1.57 meters, BMI is 24.34, which is less than 25 and more than 18. So your normal weight, it is printing normal weight. Let us give some condition for overweight also. I'm running it. So 70 kilograms and 160 centimeters. So BMI is 27, which is greater than or equal to 25. It says you are overweight. We can also use compound operators. For example, I will use one here which is not required. If BMI greater than or equal to 18 and BMI less than 25. So whether I use this or not, it is same. But here, just to demonstrate the end operator, I am using this. So I am running it again. 60 kilograms, 157 centimeters. It says your normal weight. So it doesn't matter whether this condition is used or not here, but where it is required, you can use. End operator means both conditions should return true. Only then if condition returns true. If any of the conditions returns false, the overall condition will return false. Similarly, we can also use OR. OR means when this condition is true or this condition is true, either one or both, the overall condition becomes true. If both are false, then only the overall condition returns false. Similarly, we can also use negation here. If not BMI less than 25. Here the logic does not support this. If not means if this condition returns true, the overall condition returns false, and if this condition returns false, the overall condition returns true. So this is about if condition. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and do not forget to press bell icon so that you will get notifications, and also please like the video and share it with your friends. Thank you again.